Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our new chapter, which is Roman numerals. In this chapter, first of all, we will discuss some symbols or letters that are used to write Roman numerals. So, here we have these symbols in which I is used to represent 1, V represents 5, X represents 10, L represents 50, C represents 100, D represents 500 and M represents 1000. For writing number in Roman numerals, it is important to learn these symbols. Now let us know about the rule for writing Roman numerals. First rule is rule of repetition. If a symbol is repeated its value, it added as many times as it occurred. For example, for 1 we have I, for 2 we will write I 2 times, for 3 write I 3 times. Similarly, for 10 we will write X 1 time, for 20 write X 2 times, for 30 write X 3 times. The rule 2 is symbol for 1, 10 and 100 can be repeated but up to 3 times. On the other hand, symbol of 5, 50 and 500 cannot be repeated. Now let us move to the rule number 3. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of greater value, then the value gets added. In this given example, symbol for the greater value is V and symbol of the smaller value is at right. So, they will be added. It means we will add 1 to the 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So, the value of VI is 6. Now, rule number 4. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of the symbol of greater value, then its value get subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. In IV, symbol of greater value is V and the symbol of smaller value is at the left. So we will subtract the value of these two symbols and the value of IV will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. Value of V, L and D cannot be subtracted. So we will never write these symbols to the left of any other symbol. Now let's practice with these examples. Here we have counting from 1 to 10. For 1, we have symbol in this Roman numeral chart which is I. So write here I. For writing 2, write I 2 times. For representing 3, write I 3 times. For representing 4, we can write I 4 times. But according to the rule number 2, we cannot repeat a symbol more than 3 times. Now, other way to write 4 is 5 minus 1. Its value is also 4. So, to represent this 4 symbolically, we will first write the symbol for the 5, which is V. And to subtract 1, write symbol of 1 at the left of the greater symbol. That means IV. So the value of 4 is IV. Value of 5 is V, which we have in chart. To write the value of 6, we will write 5 plus 1. 5 means V, and to add 1, write the symbol of 1 at right side. So 6 is V1. For 7, write VII. For writing 8, write VIII. For writing 9, you can write V and 4 times I, but it will be incorrect because of the rule number 2. We cannot repeat I more than 3 times. So we can write it as 10 minus 1. So 10 means x, and for subtracting 1, write the symbol of 1 at the left side. For 10, again we have symbol in Roman numeral chart, which is x. Now let's practice with the multiple of 10 in the same way. Here we have multiples of 10. For 10, we will write x. For 20, 10 plus 10, that means write 2 times x. For 30, 10 plus 10 plus 10, write 3 times x. It will be x, x, x. For 40, you cannot write x, 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 because we cannot repeat any symbol more than 3 times. So for this, write 50 minus 10. 50 means L from the Roman numeral chart, and to subtract 10, write the symbol of 10 to the left side. 50 means L, 60 means 50 plus 10, symbol of 50 is L, and for adding 10, write the symbol of 10 at the right side. Again for 70, L for 50, then x, x. For 80, it will be L, x, x, x. For 90, you cannot write L and 4 times x, because according to the rule number 2, again you cannot write any symbol more than 3 times. So it will be 100 minus 10. 100 means C, which we have studied in Roman numeral chart. And for subtracting 10, write the symbol of 10 to the left. So the value of 90 is xc. Value of 100 is C from the Roman numeral chart. Now let's practice with some more examples. Here we have some examples. In the first one, there is 13. 13 means 10 plus 3, 13. 10 means x. For adding 3, write the symbol of 3 to the right. For 14, 10 plus 4, write the symbol of 10, that is x, and 4 is IV. Write it to the right side. To write 27, write 20 plus 7. Value of 20 will be x, x, and 7 is V11. To write 54, write 50 plus 4. 50 from the Roman numeral chart, it's L, and to add 4, we will write IV to the right side. So students, in today's class, you have learned to represent number in Roman numerals. For better understanding, practice with different numbers and try to write counting from 1 to 100 in Roman numerals. In next class, you will learn more about the Roman numerals. Thank you.